Welcome back, guys, to another Team TFT Daily Market Outlook video. As per always, start of the week, we're going to start looking at the US dollar currency index. We're going to look at Euro USD and GBP USD. So let's get a bit of a look into it. Firstly, we'll have a look at the economic calendar, and we'll see here. Not a lot of news this week, which is going to be all right. It means we don't have much to sort of worry about. We do, however, on Thursday have a bit of red news coming in on the USD, which is going to affect both of the pairs that we trade. Well, I trade anyway. So, but that's not until my Thursday night. So that's fine. So starting off with the dollar currency, we can see here we are definitely in a downtrend. This supply area that we've got here last week nipped into it perfectly, come up into this demand zone, and then this demand zone down here came up perfectly into this supply area on Thursday afternoon, and then it's rejected out of there since. So basically, longer term, we're looking continuing lower. We are very bearish at the moment, so we're looking to continue that. So basically, that gives us a bias that the dollar currency is going to lose a little bit of strength. So now on the euro, which we obviously see the opposite being a correlated pair, we have now an uptrend. Okay, so we came down into this area I was looking at last week and rejected away perfectly. So basically, we can see how deep we've gone into this structure. Now we could possibly look at reducing that on the higher time frame down to that last 4-hourly candle there and see if we do get a rejection from higher up in that area. But basically, at the moment, we're looking to probably at minimum sweep this high through here. Okay, so we're going to continue to remain bullish on euro for the time being. So let's drop down a couple of time frames here and see what we've got going on. So okay, we can get rid of a couple of things here. So basically, as you see here, we've got we've come down into here, we've had this consolidation, accumulation, and then we see this big push up on so that's Friday, sorry. So Friday, so this big accumulation and then a push up, okay? So basically what we're looking for now is where are we going to see the trend continuation here? So on the half an hour time frame here, we do have a impulse, and then we see a pullback, consolidation, and then impulse again, which goes and breaks this structural high. Okay, so this here from down here at the bottom of the Asian range here is the impulse that broke that area. So basically we are looking at a range from this point to this point at the moment, as we're yet to really see a strong pullback. So basically what I would like to see, especially on this half an hour time frame, so we look at today's Asian range, it looks quite consolidated here. What are we? We're about 25 pips. So basically I want to see a bit of a pullback at the moment, and then possibly looking for longs. So what I would be looking for, what do we got structure wise over here? So we do have this big extension wick here on the 30-minute. Okay, you can see we've just nipped into it and we're having a little bit of a pullback now. So what I would like to see is two things, possibly a pull up higher into that range, a retrace back to around the halfway line for a continuation, or B, we could possibly see, we can see that we've got quite consolidated range here and an impulse up. We may see two areas, key areas of this one here is so we could see this demand zone here get tapped, or we could see come right back down into this demand zone down here. So basically what I would be looking for is a push into there before continuation higher, or a possible push into here before a continuation higher. So they're the three outcomes that I would be looking for in today's Euro USD outlook. Now I'll move over to GBP. Again, same as the euro. We are seeing like a 4-hour uptrend here. So we did have this big pullback. As stated, we saw a tap into this lower liquidity here, as discussed last week. Tap into there, and we're seeing a push up. So what we'd like to see is obviously a break of that range. We can consolidate this high 4-hour area up to there, but again, it's been tapped into quite strongly now, so it's probably another tap into it. We may not see as big a rejection. You might be able to take a brief short, but I would be very hesitant of that. But our target at the moment over the next couple of days is to break this high. We want to see that high get broken to confirm that we are continuing in with the uptrend. So basically what we're looking now is for a possible pullback in the market somewhere to then continue long. Here, the GBP probably gives us a little bit cleaner of a situation than what Euro does, because we can see here this big consolidation zone here before we've pushed back up. So we've had this impulse, and then we start, and then we possibly come back into here. Now, we do have a lot of imbalance here as well that we could also be looking to come back to fill. But again, it is possible, but I would think less probable at this point in time with the market the way it is. So I would be assuming that we me personally, I would be looking for the push down into this area and a pull away, or we may see a break high, a retest in the midline, and then take away again, because same as with the Euro, as you can see here, we've had a tap into this big liquidity, this big extended wick here, which has obviously taken liquidity, and we have had this pullback, but we are overall bullish at the moment. So we can definitely see that the banks were definitely involved here. We've got a build up of liquidity across this area here, like that. Got a build up of liquidity there, come up and then come back down. And then we can see a liquidity sweep above the high, and then we've worked our way up into this area. Again, I'm sure if we extend that over, that's where a majority of the consolidation has occurred on that trend line there, and then we've pushed back up. So we've pushed higher. So basically what I would be looking for is a pullback down, retest this area around that 4,600 mark before going higher. So anyway, guys, that's my analysis for today. Hopefully we all have a good trading week this week, and feel free to like and subscribe if you like the content that we're putting out here, and any comments or suggestions on anything else you'd like us to cover would be great. So have a good trading day, and I'll be in touch tomorrow. Thanks for watching another Daily Market Outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.